Hey, what's up, y'all? So I got this make money online opportunity for you guys. So if you guys are interested, just click the link down below. It's a video. I think it's about 15 minutes possibly. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on it. But very important, and I highly recommend checking it out if you never make money online. If you're interested in making money online, if you want to make money from home, working from the internet, doing what you want to do, making your own hours, being your own boss, all those great things, being your own entrepreneur, making your own hours, not have nobody breathing on the back of your neck telling you what to do. This is one of those opportunities. Highly recommend checking it out. It's only, some amount of minutes of a video. I don't know how long it is, but you could greatly, this could be one of the game changers for you. So if you're interested in making money online and that's something you want to do, whether full-time, part-time, side job type of thing, this is the opportunity for you. Click the link down below, check it out, watch the video, and give it a shot. Invest in yourself. Use this if it does offer you, something to pay for. I'm not sure if it does. I think it does. I'm not too sure if it does exactly. I don't know if it's a lot or a little bit, but at the end of the day, it's all about investing in yourself. What would you rather do? Would you rather spend 20 bucks, on Starbucks, on some pizza that won't do nothing for you? Or would you rather spend $20 on something that could actually potentially turn yourself into something that, would you rather use that $20 on something that's going to go to waste? Or would you rather use that $20 on something that could potentially bring you more money? That could potentially help you become an entrepreneur or make money online? All those great things. It's really smart to think about this thing. It's really smart to be an investor and not a consumer. It's okay to be a consumer, but if you're mostly a consumer and not an investor, because a lot of people these days, they're not an investor at all. They're just a consumer all day, every day, just spending things to just buy things. They're not using their money towards things that could generate income, or generate knowledge to generate income, So I highly recommend to check this out. The link is down below. Click it, watch it, make a decision, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to make money online, if you want to take this seriously, if you want to change your life, this could be something for you today. So go ahead and click the link down below, check it out, and post a comment down below. Let me know how it benefited you if you did try it. Let me just post your testimonials down below. See you guys on the other side or in the next video. Peace out.